आज का मेरा टॉपिक बिग बैंग थ्योरी के हवाले से है। टाइम बिगिंस, टाइम की शुरुआत। द यूनिवर्स बिगिंस 13.7 बिलियन ईयर्स एगो। इस कायनात की, इस दुनिया की जो इब्तदा है, शुरुआत है, वो 13.7 बिलियन साल पहले हुई। द यूनिवर्स बिगिंस एज द साइज ऑफ ए सिंगल एटम। जो यूनिवर्स की, इस कायनात की इब्तदा है, वो एक सिंगल एटम के साइज से हुई। द यूनिवर्स बिगन ए वायोलेंट एक्सपेंशन। फिर इस दुनिया ने बहुत तेज़ी के साथ फैलना शुरू कर दिया। All matters and space were created from a single point of pure energy in an instant. 3 minutes after the Big Bang, बिग बैंग के वाक़या होने के 3 मिनट बाद, the universe has grown from the size of an atom to larger than the size of a grapefruit. E is equal to mc square. Energy flows into matter according to Albert Einstein's equation. This basically says that like snowflakes, freezing energy form matter into clumps that today we call protons, neutrons and electrons. These parts later form into atoms. 300,000 years after Big Bang, Big Bang के 3,300,000 साल बाद, atoms form, especially hydrogen and its isotopes, with a small amount of helium. The early universe was about 75% hydrogen and 25% helium. It is still almost the same today. Hydrogen, helium atoms, protons in red color, neutron in blue and electron in yellow. Neutrons and protons are held together in the nucleus by the strong force which has to overcome the electrical repulsion of 2 positive charged protons in helium and in more complex atoms too. Electrons are held around the atom by electrical attraction between their negative charge and the positive charge of the protons in the nucleus. The universe is composed of 75% hydrogen. ये जो कायनात है, इसका 75% हिस्सा हाइड्रोजन is an element. हाइड्रोजन एक एलिमेंट है that should be used with caution, जिसे एहतियात के साथ इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए. Remember the Hindenburg. 200 to 400 million years after Big Bang. Big Bang के 200 साल से 400 साल बाद क्या हुआ? First stars and galaxies form. पहला स्टार और पहली गैलेक्सी जो है वो बनी है 200 साल से 400 मिलियन साल बिग बैंग के हुकूक पजीर होने के बाद. 4.6 बिलियन ईयर्स एगो, आज से 4.6 मिलियन साल पहले आवर सोलर सिस्टम फॉर्म, हमारा निज़ाम शमसी जो है, हम सोलर सिस्टम जो है ये बना है आज से 4.6 बिलियन ईयर एगो. मिसकंसेप्शन अबाउट द बिग बैंग. There was no explosion, there was and continues to be an expansion. Rather than imagining a balloon popping and releasing its contents, imagine a balloon expanding and infinitesimally small balloon expanding to size of our current universe. We tend to imagine the singularity as a little fireball appearing somewhere in space. Space began inside of the singularity. Prior to the singularity, nothing exists, not space, time, matter or energy, nothing. Big Bang timeline. Include label and color. What happened when each event thing happened. Big Bang energy matter is equal to mc square, protons, neutrons, electrons, atoms, hydrogen, helium, stars and galaxies, our solar system, sun and all planets, earth present. सबसे पहले प्रोटॉन्स थे, न्यूट्रॉन्स, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, फिर एटम्स, हाइड्रोजन और हीलियम, उसके बाद स्टार्स और गैलेक्सीज, फिर आवर सोलर सिस्टम, फिर सन एंड ऑल प्लैनेट्स, फिर अर्थ. बिग बैंग एविडेंस, यूनिवर्सल एक्सपेंशन एंड हबल लॉ, 3 degree background radiation, quasars, radioactive decay, stellar formation and evaluation, speed of light and stellar distances. Number 1. Universal expansion and Hubble's law. Hubble observed the majority of galaxies are moving away from us and each other. The further, the faster they move. Redshift, red, long wavelength moving away from us. Number 2, background radiation. Noise radiation static is evenly spread across space. The amount of radiation matched predictions. COBE satellite confirmed for the entire universe the noise radiation static is evenly spread. Law of conservation of energy. Energy can neither be created or destroyed. Energy remains constant over time. Quasars, super large solar system size galactic cores that put out more light than whole galaxies. One only found 10 to 15 billion light year away. Found nowhere else. Nothing exists past them. Radioactive decay. Radiometric dating gives us the age of atoms from the decay of radioactive materials found within the object. Moon rocks have been dated and found to be older than Earth. Gives us an estimated time that Earth and the Moon formed. Number 5, stellar formation and evaluation. We observe the life cycles of stars across the universe using tools such as satellites and telescopes. We view star form, burn and explode. Speed of light and stellar distance. The speed of light is universal constant of 3 multiply 10 to the power raised to 5 kilometer per second square. We observe stars billions of light years ago. A light year क्या है? Is the distance that light travel in 1 year. The light we see today from a star 500 light year away in 500 years old. The further stars away are 10 to 15 million years away. We have telescopes that can see further, but there is not anything viewable. God sought Big Bang. Match the definitions and events to the word and or the time after the Big Bang that they occurred using your notes. Mix them up and do it again without your notes. When finished, check yourself with your notes to see if you are correct. Color of stars lab. Light the candle, observe the flame and draw color it on your notebook paper. Then copy these questions and answer them. Which part of flame is hottest? Which makes the flame different color?